are going to the desert. He just said, have a nice trip. Okay. Woo!
This is the best in Oman.
High five.
Get the shit out of me!
This is nuts here. We left home almost 2 years ago, took all of our savings and decided not to only dream the dream, but live it instead. We've been traveling the world ever since, saw many amazing things and met the most genuine and amazing people along the way. The following adventure is something we've always wanted to do, but never allowed us due to our very limited travel budget. Ultimately, if it wouldn't have been for you watching our videos and following our journey, we would have not been able to make this trip from the get-go. Thank you so much for being here, making this possible. We are going to the desert! It's gonna be awesome. We're in Oman and it's like a real desert. I've seen pictures of Google Maps from the area from above. It's like a big ass dune. That's what it is, right? Crazy. Let's go. Do you think our little tiny car will make it through the desert? Huh?
No.
Well, I'd say we'll give it a shot.
You sure you want to do that?
Is there a way back? It's like driving on snow. You think we'll make it up the dune? You have arrived. So let's grab all of our stuff and head into the desert, huh? Will you? Let's go. So even though those are 4x4, it's still necessary to let a bit of air out so we don't get stuck in the dunes. This is so adventurous. Huh? What do you say?
Yeah.
Crazy!
I wish you could drive yourself. Then you could get us stuck in there.
Yeah, like I always do.
Oh my god. Okay. Sascha gets a car of the owner of the camp and we drive ourselves. Yes!
He just said, have a nice trip. Okay. We have a big problem. You need to drive my car. I don't see the problem here.
Follow that car.
It's so awesome. Sleeping in the desert and driving a real proper off-road 4-wheel drive car with deflated tires and all the bells and whistles. We even got differential lock if we need that. So you are basically, you know, it doesn't matter. It's great, you know, for off-roading. Can you tell I'm excited?
I'm excited too. And just behind the camera, I'm very happy. I already feel like doing bashing even though nothing is really happening. Hey, look at this!
Man, wow! This is insane. Driving in the desert!
This is crazy.
We're driving in the dunes! Oh, this is nuts. A dream comes true, man. A dream comes true. This is so crazy.
Okay, street is getting crazier. I would not call this... I would call this sandy now. We have a situation.
Yeah, just pushed the wrong button and the general ESP is still on. And that's not really good. But now we're bashing the dunes. Wow! Holy smokes! That went down.
There we are! I can see the camp!
Yeah.
Just one more hill.
That was something.
Welcome in our private tent tour in the desert in Oman. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited. We have this lovely tent. We are all solar powered, so very ecological, really nice. We have this nice little entrance. It's actually like, it's not real grass, but it feels super nice. And you can sit here and enjoy and see the sunset on your private deck. And we're entering our tent. It is really spacious. It's really nice. We have a really nice, lovely bed for Sascha and me. And we could even host a guest here. Kind of a mini closet. We have a really nice dining area over there. And then we have dozens of cushions that we can take onto the patio area and enjoy. All tents here in this camp are facing the sunset, so nobody is sunsetless. And what I really like in this desert, you will not freeze. Even in the evening, it's 15 to 20 degrees. That's why everybody who sleeps here gets a private fan. Yeah. Welcome to our desert toilet. In this camp, everybody gets an own toilet, which is really convenient. As you can see, it's an open air toilet, so you can literally shower outside in the desert. We have a toilet. It's a real toilet. It flushes. There's water. And we have the sink with a little mirror and soap. Enough trash bags everywhere. And a lamp. First toilet tour in the desert. That's it for the room tour. Now we're gonna show you the common area and enjoy some coffee.
Time for the snack break. So after checking in, we were welcomed with water, grapes, cake, Omani deliciousness. In the Middle East, the sweets are outstanding. Now we're waiting a couple more minutes and then we're going dune bashing. Let me show you the car real quick. So this is the Omani style back seat, and that's the car. And we're about to bash some dunes, man. Let's go!
I didn't picture this. This is awesome.
Dune bashing
like, I
one-on-one.
thought we were sitting in a car, you know, like getting a bit bumped to the left and right, but we're like roofless. And we have so many cushions and it's so comfortable, you have no idea. Here we go again. Do you love it as much as I do?
Yes, I do. Wow. Man, this is nuts.
Yeah, this is crazy.
This is unreal.
It's gonna be my favorite dune.
Oh my god. I can smell the rubber.
Yeah! Again!
was so cool.
Especially
Your reaction was the best.
I can imagine. Oh, this is so cool. I could stay here for days and do this. This is so fun. You have no idea. This is the best in Oman so far, and we have done cool stuff. I can't stop laughing. I'm sorry.
High five. High five. If you are ever in Oman, don't miss out on that experience. This is nuts here.
One more time.
Amazing. Oh my god, I need to grip that. Yes.
A lot of fun. I still can't wipe the smile off my face. We are having now traditional Omani dinner, which includes Arabic salad and hummus, bread, and which is really smart. You have a plastic foil on your cutlery and on your plates, so the sand from the wind cannot get on there, and you have a clean plate. Let's enjoy. We heard something about camel meat, and I'm very excited to try it. Nothing you will ever get somewhere else, probably, other than the Middle East. Even though I'm most of the times vegetarian, I'm very looking forward to trying it. There is plenty of food. We will definitely go to bed very happy, very full.
That's for sure.
Camel. Shashlik, camel shashlik. Oh, tender, soft, very barbecue-ish. I like it.
And they have plenty of food here. Like every 2 seconds he's like, you want more? You want more? So, you want more?
No. I'm good, thanks.
There's more food.
Okay, I couldn't say no. He told me this is his favorite cake, and it's very, very traditional Omani. Date, cardamom, and what you normally put in a cake. Yeah.
It became our new favorite spice, huh?
Yeah.
And by the way, the dates here in Oman. Maddie bought a package in the supermarket, and I think I ate almost all of it, right? You got one, I had 20. What a lovely day, huh? Mm-hmm. And the food was excellent, was really good. Instead of just having a buffet like most of the camps do it, this here is actually, you get actual courses, right? And then they bring you more food, and then they ask you, you want a kebab, you want a chicken, you want this, you want that. Camel meat, very interesting, right?
Yeah. I think camel meat was my highlight.
Yeah, super delicious.
Yeah, now we're gonna enjoy the stars. There are a ton of stars here. Can you see that we are a little tired?
A bit. The day was great.
Yes.
And exhausting.
And I'm full
but
of
in
sand.
a great way. Right?
Yes, 100%.
So much laughing.
Okay, so now star watching.
Right.
Sleeping under the stars maybe.
Exactly.
On our patio. That would be comfy.
Mm-hmm.
It's in the middle of the night. Stars above us are crazy beautiful. Down there's a bonfire going on, and I think we're the only ones left. So let's have the campfire for ourselves, huh?
Sounds great.
And then enjoy the stars.
Yes.
Woo.
morning, folks. I'm on my way up a dune first thing in the morning. It's not the easiest task. So, you know, back when I was a little kid, playing in my little sand pit, which I was lucky enough to have in the first place, I always imagined how it would be in the big desert, you know. And now being here, it's really something so cool. And especially when I think about yesterday, what we did the whole day, and the dune bashing, driving around in the dunes with this crazy off-road monsters. Oh my god, that was so great. When we left home back in 2021, we decided to capture as many fragments of time to never forget what they meant for us in the moment. Sharing it with our friends, family, and an amazing travel community helped us stay connected and maybe even inspire some of you to go for your own dreams. Thanks again for watching this story. It means a lot to us. So, man, I guess this has been one of the best trips we've ever did. With the dune bashing and everything, and the desert here. Something to remember, huh? So thanks for watching our Oman desert episode. See you in the next one. Bye. And the next car is like way behind us. Once you tell me something, I'm focused, I'm pinpoint to it, and then I just go, you know, there's no coming back from that.
Oh, you have no idea how hard it is to get up here.